It's popping! Do I flip it? Thank you!
Like, comment, subscribe.
We're making wontons. So we have a chicken and prawn filling. Our wonton skin. Is there on one side? How do I do it?
Don't put too many lah, huh? It's in too much. You cannot. No, you use a small spoon. Cannot too much. Later.
Why? But I want my wonton to be fat. Ta-da! We're making 2 big trays of this. It's gonna be a big lunch. Yay! All done. All done.
Medium fire can put in. Okay. Is it in bed?
It dropped on the floor. She just washed the wonton that dropped on the floor and is eating it. Bruh. Slay. It's popping. Do I flip it? Am I meant to flip it? Am I meant to do something? It's popping.
Be careful, I just got it. Okay.
I am so ready to eat this. Yes.
I want to boil first and then later boil cover.
Oh, is this gonna be in a video? Like
Yeah, I'm putting this on my YouTube.
like an actual like vlog. You say
I said I'm filming a video.
yeah, no, I thought no, hang on. I look so fugly. I literally look like I work out.
I don't even look like this. Wait, I cannot look in this.
Known, I would have looked a little better.
You actually usually look worse.
Anyway, I just like to be comfortable.
Guys, my Chinese is so good. I got through all of it.
Alright, let's go.
大家好，
放在这边
啊
自己慢慢咬。
我会等
我们吃饭。
还没有。
大家好，你眼睛吃了，你肥猪。
That doesn't make sense. You just said my eyes ate. That's why I'm a fat pig.
What did I say? Eyes?
眼睛 is
I
eye.
didn't say 眼睛。
What did you say?
是你眼睛吃了。
你已经吃了。
You can introduce yourself in Chinese.
Say your Chinese name.
大家好，我的名字是慧心。怎么的？什么样子？
你好，我是王佳怡，我是20岁。
Or I'm getting anxious.
是
She sounds like she's like in the military. 我的名字是王佳怡。
大家好，我的名字是王佳莹，我的大姐是慧心，妹妹是佳怡。今天我们在我们的婆婆家，她煮饭给我们。Okay,
whatever.
肥仔肥妹，哇，跟住我，哦，darling.
Okay, well, there's a lot of negative space going on. Who the fuck ate all the...
She ate the sauce.
So we have an inside joke that it's actually not a joke, it's actually very true. That my grandma doesn't think that I have a real job because I'm a YouTuber/influencer.
你可以跟我讲 Amy 的工是什么
Amy 的工就是做这个，我不会讲。
In Chinese culture, we call our grandma on our mom's side Papo and our grandpa Gong Gong. So if you hear us calling our grandparents that, that's why. I helped cook. I wrapped those wontons. Papa said it doesn't matter what they look like. Guys, you know I came here the other day and I was working and then Papa was like, oh, she's studying.
Before he graduated.
I was like yawning earlier and she was like, why are you so tired? This is called rendang. It's like a type of curry. Guys, I was gonna show the camera like all the foods, but within like 30 seconds it was like half freaking eaten. It's been like 2 minutes and this is what's left of the fish. There used to be prawns in this. What? I didn't even eat any. Who ate them all? This is stir-fried veggies with prawns that are no longer there.
你为什么这样穿东西？你不知道咩？你不闻咩？
She followed exactly the same.
Amy, you can't sleep too late. It will give you cancer.
No, that's gong gong, bro. No, ready? Papa's like this. Aying, Bella, can you help me with the WhatsApp? Oh, 有一个电话的问题，有时间。
Papa, who's your favorite? Papa, who's your favorite?
最喜欢的是谁？
Out of us three.
三个，我们三个最。你要说一个，不可以讲
No.
三个。
You have to choose one.
I'm not sure.
Remember, I have a real job.
I cannot say it. Oh,
But she has one. She can't say it, but she has one. Wow, thank you.
那就开始。但是哪里是本身？
Bye. See you tomorrow. First one is always a flop. Honestly, it looks kind of good, but we're gonna eat it. Yummy. It's honestly more like a thick crepe than a pancake, but this is how we ate it. Growing up, I never ate, I don't think this is like a Chinese dish, but like growing up, I never ate like thick, fluffy, like IHOP style pancakes. I always had this. I honestly prefer it because it's so much lighter and it's not as sweet. They're kind of chewy. It's super thin. The leftover rendang from lunch. Fish. This is called lobak. It is like meat wrapped in some sort of like tofu bean curd skin, lettuce, and stir-fried veggies. Grandma's here.
Hi. Dinner time. Hi.
But she doesn't want to be filmed. She's self-conscious about her hair. Guys, we had like 2 pieces of fish this afternoon for lunch and everyone just ate like one side of it, of 2 fishes, instead of eating 1 whole fish. That that is it for today's video.
Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.
If you like this video,
Thank you so much.
like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching.